Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have cheeseburger wraps. As you can see here in a pan, I've got 2 pounds of 80/20 ground chuck that I'm giving it a generous dusting of salt and pepper to. And then we're basically just gonna brown this meat up and then drain it once it's done. Okay. Now that our meat is browned up, you want to start off by adding about 4 tablespoons or so of ketchup. But you can always add more if this mix is a little too dry to your liking. And then you want to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And then, of course, some salt and pepper. Then you just want to give this a stir around. And you kind of want to cook this over, medium low to low heat for at least 5 minutes. Give the flavors a chance to develop. Again, you can always add it to your tasting. I believe I added at least another couple tablespoons of ketchup. I think a little bit more Worcestershire sauce. If you want, you can always add some minced onion to this too. This time around, I decided not to. That's just me. And yeah. See, like you can see here, I'm adding some extra ketchup. And then just go by taste. And then, yeah, give it a couple of minutes for all the flavors to come together. Should be looking for something that looks a little bit like that when we're done. At some point, we have to make a special sauce for our cheeseburger wrap. It's real simple to do. What you want to do is add a half a cup of mayo to a container. I'm using these deli container here's. And by the way, I just got to say, deli containers are an absolute lifesaver in the kitchen. You don't have to dirty up bowls. You can just dirty up this, and when you're done, just throw it away. They're really relatively inexpensive. You can find them on Amazon, so anyone, if you're watching this, you can get them. And then you want to have 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. And then we want a half a tablespoon of white vinegar. And then we want to add 1 clove of garlic that has been minced. A teaspoon of chili powder. Half a teaspoon of oregano. And then a teaspoon of hot sauce. I went up to about a teaspoon and a half. And grab yourself a whisk and whisk everything until everything is smooth and mixed together. And then you can use this right away or pop it in the fridge till you're ready to make our wraps. And I think we're ready now. All right, as you can see here, we've got our tortilla shell, the standard burrito size. And we're just going to spread some of our special sauce on the bottom. All right, and then we're going to add a little bit of our hamburger meat mix. And then we're going to add our cheese. This is a combination of shredded cheddar and shredded Colby Jack cheeses. And then we're going to add some shredded iceberg lettuce. And then we're going to add a squirt of ketchup. And a squirt of mustard. And then we're going to roll our wrap up and place it on the griddle. Alrighty, and then we're just going to give this a couple of minutes, maybe about a minute aside, minute and a half. I suppose if you're using an electric, 2 minutes, just to get nice and toasty golden brown. And through the magic of cooking show editing, our cheeseburger wrap is done. The only thing left to do is to cut it in half and give you guys a cross section. Like I said, these are real easy to do. They were really delicious. They did not last long. And boom, there you go. Cheeseburger wraps. Done.